Steve here with the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦, where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, tools, and resources. Pricing code formula number 4. So hopefully you've watched the other 3 videos that I've done on pricing, because these formulas that I'm sharing are priceless. They really are. By using these formulas, you can arrive at any price point for any job that you're doing. And after all, that's what it's all about. We have to make sure that we're pricing correctly. So in order to do so, we can use these formulas that I've gone over. Now in this video, what I'm going to cover is formula number 4. And that formula is MB divided by CSF equals PPSF. So what MB stands for is monthly billing. CSF stands for cleanable square footage. PPSF is price per square foot. Now you've heard some of these acronyms in other videos that I've done. To go over this example, what we have is that we have a monthly billing of $1,225 per month. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take that and we're going to divide it by the square footage, the cleanable square footage of the account. So we take the $1,425 divided by 15,000 square feet. That equals 0.09 cents per square foot. So this is the formula that you use when you're trying to determine what you're charging per square foot. In some of the other formulas that I've gave you examples how you arrive at a price point, which is great, you know. But then what you can do is that you can take that price point and convert it into a price per square foot by using this formula. So that's why these are so valuable. So hopefully you got this. I know a lot of people don't like numbers, but I tell you what, you know, if we don't know our numbers and don't know these formulas, boy, you're going to struggle with your pricing. You're going to you're just going to struggle with it. So that's why I'm sharing these formulas with you. You know, so you can price things correctly and make a profit in your business. Now that's the real key, is the profit. In order to make a profit, you have to know how much profit you're making. And without knowing that, you're just guessing. You're like throwing a dart at a board and picking a number. Well, we don't want to do that type of business. That type of business is not sustainable. You don't stay in business long not knowing your profits. So in order to know your profits, what you do is that you can go to the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦.com and use the bidding calculators that we have. It doesn't matter if you're doing a reoccurring cleaning or if you're doing a post-construction clean. We've got 11 bidding calculators. If you don't find what you need there, then you're not going to find it anywhere. But what these calculators do is that you enter some of these numbers that I'm giving you, your square footage, your square foot price, and so on and so forth, your hourly rates, and enter in some of your expenses, and it's going to tell you exactly what your profit is. After all, that's why we're in business. We're in business to make a profit and to make some money, to support our families. So that's the bottom line. Now, for those of you that are doing residential, we have pricing calculators on myhousecleaningbiz.com. For the exact same reason, by using these same types of formulas, you can go there and enter in those numbers and your expenses and know exactly what your profit is too. So we got you covered both ways, commercial and residential. So, well, hopefully you got some value from these videos, and if you did, go ahead and feel free to comment and share. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. And make sure that you turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates for new videos for building a successful cleaning business. So, thanks for checking in, and we'll see you next time.